If you're still using a crypto playbook from a few years ago, you're going to run straight into a wall. The market has completely changed. The days of chasing random and overnight hype are definitely over. This year is all about massive institutional money, stablecoins becoming legitimate global infrastructure, and AI programs actually running their own on-chain economies. Today, we're breaking down the exact 26 market narratives driving trillions of dollars onto the blockchain right now so you can position your portfolio exactly where the smart money is flowing. Alright, I'm back. Let's break down these four master narratives rewriting the rules of the market right now. Obviously, guys, first up is the shift toward complete regulatory clarity. As you can see, this is not the Wild West anymore. Ever since major policies like the Genius Act passed and cleared the runway for massive digital asset frameworks, the entire playground has changed. We're seeing over $175 billion sitting directly in on-chain exchange traded products right now, backed by giants like BlackRock and Fidelity. This matters because it creates a permanent baseline. If a project is not built to survive in a compliant world, the big money isn't legally allowed to touch it, and it's going to get left behind. Now, the second major theme is the explosive rise of real-world assets, or RWAs. We've officially moved past the point of tokenizing assets as a neat experiment because it's now a multi-billion-dollar product line. Traditional financial structures, government treasury bonds, and private equity are migrating directly onto chains like Ethereum and secure data networks like Chainlink. And the main driver here is real and automated on-chain yield. Capital allocators are realizing they don't need traditional banking middlemen when they can lock in transparent yield instantly on the ledger. Next, guys, we have the complete merger of AI and Web3 infrastructure because AI and crypto are no longer running on separate tracks. We're actively moving into a landscape where autonomous AI agents are assigned their own crypto wallets to execute transactions completely independent of humans. Whether it's buying decentralized computing power or paying for data storage across application-specific chains, these AI networks use the blockchain as their native financial layer. The real play here is owning the underlying data layers and processing networks that these AI systems must pay to use. And finally, guys, the fourth narrative is the absolute war over infrastructure scalability. Users and enterprise apps want friction-free experiences, meaning instant settlement and near-zero gas fees. And right now, it's a massive battle between monolithic speed and modular ecosystems. On one side, you have Solana pushing its massive Alpenglow consensus upgrades to completely erase network bottlenecks. On the other side, Ethereum's Layer 2 ecosystem that's led by protocols like Base and Arbitrum is acting as the absolute fortress for institutional settlement. What's definite is the fact that the narrative here has shifted away from who has the flashiest white paper, and it is entirely about who is capturing the actual organic daily transaction volume. And that, my friends, is exactly what is driving the market this year. If you want to actually make it in this space, you have to stop looking at what worked in the past and start positioning yourself where the big capital is moving right now. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a comment letting me know which of these narratives you're betting on the most, and I'll see you guys in the next video.